Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! Ate, say hi! Say hi!
Hi!
So, for today's video, we are going to have another wear test. And this time naman, ang i-wear test natin ay bago, something bago from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Meron na dati ng Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. Na-try ko na siya dati-dati pa, but I think they relaunched it ngayon or this year. And then may mga bagong palettes, parang City Mini palettes or something like that, I'm not sure. And then merong Temptation mascara. Hindi ko rin alam kailan darating yun sa Pinas. But anyway, we're going to test out the Superstay matte ink, and let me show you the product. So the product looks like this. It is actually quite big, guys. Yeah. Actually, dalawang color yung binili ko sa Lazada. I got them for $299 each. This one is very dark plum color. It's in the shade Escapist. And then this one naman, it's a dark brown red color in the shade Voyager. Feeling ko mag-Voyager na lang ako. So yung packaging, ganito itsura niya. Matte siya. 5 ml or 17 fluid ounce. So medyo madami-dami ang lamanski. Oh my god, merong warning guys. Flammable until dry. Do not use near fire, flame, or heat. So remember that. Okay, wait, buksan ko. So the applicator looks like this. Parang siyang sponge tip. Tapos meron parang uka doon sa gitna, probably so you can get more product or something like that. So, uy, magkabila pala yung uka. Okay, so let's try it. Guys, look at what happened. So, sinagad ko yung isang, yung isang dukot lang. As in, inubos ko talaga yung product sa labi ko. So, meron siyang butas sa gitna. Amazeballs. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong applicator. So, this is what Voyager looks like on my lips. It is so pretty. So, let's talk about the formula. Yung consistency niya, it's very, very thick. It's not super duper liquidy. It's more on the thicker side, pero hindi naman sobra na parang kala mo mousse na siya. Nasa gitna talaga siya ng liquid and mousse type. It's super duper pigmented, obviously, as you can see. And then isang dip lang siguro, kasyang-kasya sa buong bibig mo. And super pigmented, makapal siya. Kumbaga sa lipstick line ng Maybelline, para siyang loaded bold. Yun nga lang is medyo tacky pa siya. Matagal siyang mag-set or mag-dry. Kasi I swatched it na kanina sa back of my hand. And medyo matagal nga siyang matuyo. So, let's wait for a few minutes before we can actually test it. Okay, upon application, okay, patuyuin muna natin siya, guys. Ba't kaya yung bangs ko, Dapat pretty ka sa vlog?
Yes, because, that's what you call prettiness.
Hey guys, 15 minutes na yung nakakalipas since I applied the liquid lipstick. Diba? Wear testing ginagawa ka, Beshi. So siguro naman nag-set na siya. Nabawasan na yung tackiness niya, pero meron pa rin siguro mga 5%. So let's see if it's kiss-proof. May very, very konti. 15 minutes na hindi pa rin siya.
Meron lang siyang, ay naman, tiny dots. So, it is kiss-proof na.
So, the true test is kung ano mangyayari sa kanya pag kumain tayo ng bonggang-bongga.
Okay guys, here's the thing though. Sa daming beses nating mag-wear test for this year, or actually for this month, nakakailan na tayo.
Feeling ko ata kailangan piliin ko na yung mga kinakain ko kasi dahil kung hindi, my God.
Baka siyumba ako ng bonggang-bongga. Baka magkaroon ako ng sakit sa puso. Baka magka-diabetes me.
So, the first thing I'm going to eat is shout out sa mga dinidilaan yung packaging na meron pang pagkain.
Last sponsor.
guys, so this is my first update after what? Ano to? So this is what my lips look like. Kumain na ako ng salad, kumain na ako ng yogurt, kumain na ako ng pita bread na may something sa loob. Uminom na ako ng water. Yun lang. Yun pa lang. By the way, nanonood kami ng Keeping Up with the Kardashians kasi panay kami. Low-key fan kami ni Jacqueline. Okay, seryoso na. This is what my lips look like. So, very, very slight. Very, very slight lang naman. Nabawasan yung inner corners. Pero, matino pa siya, guys, ah. Okay, let's see kung kiss-proof pa rin siya. Guys, spotless. Like, seriously. Promising! Gusto ko to! And, hindi siya tacky. Hindi siya sticky. Comfortable siya sa lips, honestly. Yeah. Problem lang talaga is medyo nabawasan yung inner corners. Pero you know, hindi masagwa yung pagkakabawas, diba? So, let's see. I'm gonna eat some more. Isasakripisyo ko. Ang katabaan ko. Sino ka ako, Jacqueline? Hiningal ako doon. Today's wear test, hindi muna ako kakain ng noodles because walang noodles. Naghanap na may hubby sa lahat ng tindahan pero sarado na because it's like, oh my god, maybe mag-1 o'clock na. Seriously? But I want to eat one more thing and that will be wala na. Hey there, guys! Oh my god, so as you can see, Hagarda Versosa na ako ng bonggang-bongga, you guys. Honestly, medyo nasishock pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Wait lang, tapos yung ganito. Okay, so I hope you don't mind me being Hagarda Versosa Bells. Let's talk about what happened. So, lip check muna tayo. Medyo, oh my god, I'm so oily. So, bawas na yung inner corners. But you guys, ito yung super legit inner corners lang. And you guys, mga nasa 8 hours ko na siyang suot. Actually, no. Between 2 to 2:30 ko siya nilagay. 10 hours or 11 hours. 10 to 11 hours ko na siyang suot. And eto yung itsura niya, guys.
Kumain ako ng salad with a very oily dressing. Pita sandwich with, again, very oily dressing. I ate burgers and fries. I drank water. I drank coffee. I drank my Yakult. Kumain pa ako ng ice cream sa cone sa Family Mart, although hindi ko siya na-film.
And then, ito lang yung nabawas sa kanya. Siguro pag kumain ako ng noodles, mas lalo pa siyang mababawasan. Pero I don't think too much. I don't think the noodles will destroy this liquid lipstick. Kasi usually, di ba, pag nag-wear test ako, bago ako makarating ng noodles, medyo malaki na yung damage dun sa liquid lipstick. Sa ibang wear test ko, itong itsurang to, isang kain pa lang yan. Pero dito sa Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, pang 90% na kainan ko na. Let's see if it's kiss-proof. So, let's try to retouch. So, pag nilitouch mo siya, guys, babalik ulit siya dun sa time na first time mo siyang nasuot. You're gonna have to wait a very, very long time for it to set. Pili ko pag kinis ko yung back ng hand ko, magkakaroon ng, you know, transfer. Yep! Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya ganun ka-dry. But you know what? While waiting, I'm gonna give my thoughts na. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink is amazing. Like, legit amazing. Formula-wise, it's very thick. Creamy naman siya. Madali naman siyang i-apply. Pero ramdam mo yung thickness niya. As in, yung pagka-loaded ng pigment, pagka-loaded ng formula. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap i-apply. Madali naman siyang i-apply, pero alam mo yun, merong slight tackiness to it. The thing is, you really have to wait a very, very long time. 10 to 15 or even 30 minutes for it to 100% na mag-set sa lips mo at para maging kiss-proof siya. Pero masasabi ko na worth it naman yung paghihintay mo ng 15 to 20 to 30 minutes para mag-set siya. Kasi guys, yung Superstay ay talagang nag-Superstay. Sa dami na kinain ko, sa dami ng ininom ko, yung damage niya hindi ganun kalaki at hindi ganun katsaka compared sa other liquid lipsticks that I tried. I can definitely say that it's very, very long wearing. It's not drying on the lips, but you can feel na meron kang suot pero hindi naman siya bothering. Color payoff 100%, super duper opaque, and I loved it, I enjoyed it, and I can definitely say na sa lahat ng liquid lipstick na na-try ko, ito yung pinakamalakas. Ito yung pinaka-super. Ito siguro yung pinaka-the best. Plus, the price is just $299. For $299, mas mahal siya sa other liquid lipsticks na na-try ko, na wear test ko for you guys. Pero, worth it. Totally worth it. Kaya ngayon pa lang guys, asahan nyo na there will be a lip swatch of the Maybelline Superstay. But the thing is you guys, for my 10k subscribers giveaway, diba I promise you guys na lahat ng videos ko I'll have a giveaway. But at this point in this video, parang wala akong mag-giveaway sa inyo kasi nga it's a wear test. But you guys, if you can wait for my lip swatch, dun sa lip swatch na yon, dun ako magkakaroon ng giveaway, which is of course this one. I'll be giving away Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. So asahan nyo na magka-partner tong video na to and yung lip swatch na yon for the 10k subscribers giveaway. Summarize everything, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink is thebomb.com. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!